this video starts, I just want to say this video is inspired by Mason Ronaldo. Go and check out his YouTube video, unboxing a Lego set about Star Wars. Go and check that out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mason Ronaldo, and enjoy the video. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am doing an unboxing of this Lego set, Lego City starter set. It's been through a lot, but I decided to do it today. Just been leaving it there, but yeah, 5 to 12. Got the shark there. No, I believe that's a machine trying to get to that, and yeah. Then on the back, I have these 3 people. They're all divers. They have this machine that comes down with them. Let's waste no time and get straight into it. Yeah. I'm just gonna do this. Okay, I did it. It's open. Yeah. Anything else in there? It's good. Okay. We got instructions. We'll put there for now. And then here we got this. Now we just wanna wait, let's go and open them. Yeah. There we go. That's one. Put that pile over there. Put this one. Get out. Let's put it over there. I will film the first few steps maybe, but then at one point, yeah. Cause yeah, I just put the shop together. Wait, let's open up the instructions book. So I guess we have to put the people together first. I can do that. Got it. See them when all the people are put together. Okay, I did all the characters. We got this dude. He's that dude right there, and these two. They got flippers, movable. Let's just leave them up there. I won't be filming this all because I'm gonna be unboxing it, but I won't do it up here. I'll just build it basically. So got the instructions. Got it. So we're gonna be building that bit first. Need to get this. The instructions are gonna be over here. You don't need this. Always see it. Now put this there, and then just get a 3x3. I believe. I'm not sure, but if that's what it's called. But let's keep doing that. I'm not sure if this is meant to go the other way. I'm gonna do that, but I'm following the instructions. Yes. Go to the next page on the instructions. So apparently we have to put a box there, and then we put these inside. Yes, and then we wanna get this. Oops. Put that there. I put it there. And then we wanna get this bit. That there. This is all we have so far. And then we want to do this. Oops. In they go. And then that goes on there. Now we wanna, I think this is what we do. Instructions right there. And let me get this. And just to say, this video is inspired by Mason Ronaldo. If you didn't see the start, but I say at the start, this video is inspired by Mason Ronaldo. Yeah, enjoy that. I believe that's it for that one. Yes, and you have this bit. You'll look at that way, so just put that to the side. Now onto that vehicle thing. Now we want to do this. Get this yellow piece. And then on up. Turn the page over. There we go. There. There. The fourth one around here. Oh, there it is. We want to put this here, this in the middle, and that there. Oh, now I get that. And we want to put another piece there. Right. Oh yeah, that's the bit that goes there. I see that. And now, let's go to the next page. We got this. That bit from there. And we just want to... Oh yes. And put that there. Now we want to get these very small pieces, put them together, and there we go. Okay. There's that new bit on the vehicle, and then now we want to put it there. There we go. Put that there. And there we go. Okay, so this is what we have so far of that bit on there. Now we wanna, apparently we have to do this. Now we want to get this bit and place that into there. And we have to put that under there, I believe. And let's have a closer look. Yes, that's how it goes. I just want to make sure that's all together. Now we gotta do the other side. I ain't gonna go through those steps again. I'll see you later with the other bit. Okay, I got it right here. This. That will go there. There we go. So now it's time to take shape. We wanna next page. Now we're gonna make those twice. Okay. I'll do the first one with you, but the second one I won't film, but I will build it. And then, alright, I'm not showing you guys. I've built in this. this is there. Ended up like this. I would go to this. I just want to put that in there. Nope, it goes that way. It goes, and then it's in. And you put that onto there. Okay. See. Okay, I got the other one. Now I want to put the other one on. There we go. And then now we want to make the arms, which would be this. And they go into there. Yes, they do. And then we do the same for the other one. Okay, you got a couple of spare pieces. And this is what you got. You got people with this trying to get this, but the shark's guarding it, as you can see. This can move. I can do that. See? This is what we got. We got this ruby. And a few coins, I believe that's what they are. And then let's go to this. You got this, which can grab onto this and probably take it up. Yeah, this is what we got. And that's all. We got shark people. Oh, all these people. This is Lego set unboxing. So, hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.